Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys Fizdi clothing wear haul. I have incorporated so many stunning fits for you guys. If you guys love watching such kind of content, then make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's hit 50k soon. And my excitement level is on peak because I want to hit 50k on my birthday. So it's a huge request. Please subscribe. And the best part about this haul is everything is going to be under a budget, and of course I do have a coupon code to share with you guys. You guys could go ahead, use my coupon code Pooja20 to get 20% discount while shopping from Fizdi. The links will be as usual linked in the description box below. And without further more delay, let's quickly jump right into the haul. First of all, thank you so much Fizdi for sending across all the fits. I'm in absolute love with all of it. With that just being said, let's quickly start with the haul. So the first fit that I've got from Fizdi is a proper birthday dress. This is definitely my dream birthday dress with a proper bow in it. Okay, let me quickly show how the bow looks like. So you have to tie it in this way, which is going to create a bow right at the center of the neckline. Look at the frill. I absolutely love this. Also, I have never owned any fit in my closet of this particular color, so I'm really excited to wear this. And oh my god, look at it. It looks so beautiful on me. I think this is a perfect birthday dress anybody could ask for, and fits well, looks very cute and chic at the same time. So in case your birthday is nearby, make sure you guys eye on this fit before it gets out of stock. If I would have to rate this fit out of 10, I would give it a solid 10 on 10. And can I say I'm just obsessed with this fit? Next fit is actually a vacation appropriate dress. Now this is going to be a gown dress, and this is the dress which I'm wearing at the moment. The best part of this dress is you guys could style this dress in multiple ways. Because of the straps, you guys could make the dress look like a off-shoulder dress, could wear this as a tube dress, or maybe you can wear it just like this. So there are n number of ways you guys could style this particular dress by playing around with the straps, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Overall, talking about the fabric, I think it's of a really good quality. You guys could see lot of blue colored flower prints going all over the dress. I thought of wearing this particular dress while I'll be visiting Turkey. I'm just hoping I visit Turkey soon because I really want to wear this dress. Don't you guys think I already look like a princess in this dress? All you have to do is throw a nice dainty neck piece, some bangles and some dainty earrings, and you'll be all set to slay. I absolutely love this fit. This is a very pretty summer spring appropriate fit, and I would highly recommend you guys eyeing on this fit as well. Do let me know in the comments down if you guys think I look like a princess in this particular dress. I really want to hear it from you guys. Next dress, oh my god, can we just appreciate the bow thing which we can see all over this neckline? Oh my god, this is a perfect date ready dress. It has got this huge bow at the neckline. It's really comfortable, and I could feel the fabric. It's of like really good quality. Talking about the fabric, it's like a satinish material, but like heavy satin material. And talking about the back, you guys are gonna love it. It has got this crisscross thingy right at the back, which is going to look so cute. I just can't wait to go on a date with my husband wearing this particular fit, and I'm sure he's going to go all crazy seeing me in this particular dress. I think I look very very classy. Now talking about the accessories, I think you guys need to go ahead, wear a really nice watch, pair it with a nice pointy heel, and do not forget to carry a classy bag, and I think you'll be all set to slay. I really love the fabric, so I would definitely rate this fit a solid 9 out of 10. Can't wait to wear this. Next fit is actually not my style, but this year I wanted to experiment with my style and see what looks good on me. It's safe to say that this fit looks really good on me. This is a asymmetric neckline, one strap dress, and look at the color blocking thing that's going all over the dress. I absolutely loved it. The moment I saw this dress, I was like, oh my god, this looks very different, and maybe this is going to look very cute on me. So of course I had to get my hands on this one. I think you will have to throw a really nice pair of sunglasses along with some strappy flats. Carry a really chic. I think styling a lot of quirky bangles would take your style statement to next level. Overall, I love this fit. I must say it's looking quite classy on me. Now do let me know in the comments down what you guys think of this fit. We are approaching to the end of this haul. The last fit which I have got is a mesh dress. Now this is a straight fit dress. For some body type it could fit like a bodycon, and I absolutely love the sleeves, and this kind of dresses are quite trending at the moment, and it looks very chic at the same time. So I thought why not get my hands on this one. So talking about the fabric, I think the quality is of okayish material. I won't say it's of like really good quality. Of course you get a zip at the back. Now why I'm not able to show you guys the try on part, because I got this one in size M and this doesn't fits me well. I mean I think I should have gone for one size up, like I should have gone for L, but never mind, I'm definitely going to get it exchanged, and I thought it's going to take a lot of time to get it exchanged, so why not include it in this particular haul itself. I think this kind of fit is really good for a party or maybe for some formal events. What do you guys think? Do let me in the comments down. So yeah, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys love this haul. Do let me know in the comments down which was your favorite fit from this particular haul, and I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.